Remember this LED? For an entire generation, this wasn't just a notification, it was a heartbeat. It was the sound of getting stuff done. That solid, clicky keyboard, that little red blinking light that held our entire social lives. It was BlackBerry, and for a minute there, it ruled the world. Then, touchscreens took over, and our beloved berries kinda faded into a memory. But what if I told you the king is planning a comeback? Not as a relic, but as a rebel. A leaked device just dropped hints of a full-blown resurrection. Get ready, because the legend might be back with the BlackBerry Key 5G, and it's packing specs that'll make the modern smartphone giants sweat. In this video, we're breaking down every leaked spec, every design detail, and asking the big question, can BlackBerry actually pull this off? Stick around, because this isn't just another phone launch. This is a revenge tour. Features of the BlackBerry Key 5G. Design and display. Let's be real. Look at your phone. Look at your friend's phone. Look at the guy across the coffee shop's phone. They're all the same sleek, slippery glass slab. The Key 5G. It flips the script. It's bringing back that iconic, squared off, business silhouette. And right where it belongs, a physical QWERTY keyboard. But this time, it's sitting under a gorgeous 4.77-inch display with a 120Hz refresh rate. Imagine that buttery smooth scrolling right above the clickiest keyboard on the planet. It's the perfect fusion of old-school tactile and new-school fluid. And yes, America, the LED notification light is back. No more picking up your phone 100 times a day. One color-coded blink, and you know if it's your boss, your bestie, or your weekend plans calling. Camera. Old BlackBerries had cameras as an afterthought. The Key 5G. It's coming for the throne. We're talking a dual 105-megapixel main sensor. Leaks suggest it's tuned for crystal clear, detail-packed shots that could go toe-to-toe with today's flagships. And for your selfies and Zoom calls, a sharp 13-megapixel front-facing camera is reportedly tucked in. So, for the first time ever, you might actually want to take photos with your BlackBerry. Performance. Here's where it gets wild. This isn't running some janky old OS. It's pure Android. All your apps, all your games, full access. And powering it, rumor has it, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. That's the same chip that's in this year's most powerful Android beasts. Pair that with 5G support, and you've got a productivity monster that can also game like a champ. Battery backup. But what good is power if it dies by dinner? The Key 5G reportedly solves that with a massive 5500 mAh battery. We're talking potentially 2 days of power on a single charge. And when you do need to juice up, a USB-C port should handle fast charging. This thing is built to last. Price and release date. So, the $1 million question, or should I say, the $500 question. Insiders are pointing to a launch price around $500 in the USA. That's a mid-range price for what looks like flagship-adjacent specs. As for when, the whispers all point to mid-2026. It's a wait, but if they get this right, it could be absolutely worth it.